Hey everyone, welcome back to Data Future. I am Charan. I have total 7+ years of experience in data engineering and big data tech stack. In this video, I will show you how to read Excel file in Databricks and write it back to another format like Parquet. Here we can see I have taken Excel file and it contains two sheets, sheet 1 and sheet 2. Sheet 1 and sheet 2 contains the same header. Now we need to read and write this Excel file in Databricks. Let's see how to do that. I have already loaded this Excel file in Databricks. Now I'll list the file ls and this is the path where I have loaded this data. If I execute this is the Excel file which we already loaded. Okay, so now I will create a data frame called Excel read and I will use park.read.format. And while we are reading an Excel file, it is not that simple like CSV and the Parquet. Okay, for that we need to install a library called Crealytics. How to install a library? If you click on the cluster, here we have libraries and this is a library which I have already installed. This library name is called Crealytics. Okay, if you wanted to install a new library, you can just click on install new and check out for main one, and here you can just specify Crealytics and its version. This Crealytics is already available in Maven repository. You just click on install. Okay, if I go back to the worksheet, so now I'll use com.crealytics okay, com.crealytics.spark.excel and I'll define an option called inferSchema. True. I'll define one more option called header. True. And load the Excel file. Load, and this is a Excel file which we are loading. Here inferSchema automatically detects the data type from the Excel sheet. Okay, and this header is equal to true. Use first row as a column name. In this Excel, this is a first row, and when we are reading, this row will be treating as a column name. Okay, I'll execute this. It's executed successfully. Now I'll display the result. Show. Okay, this is the data. It has read the first sheet data. Suppose if we wanted to read the second sheet, how can we read it? Okay, so I will add one more option called dataAddress. Okay, and here I will define the sheet name as 2. This data address read from specific sheet and cell. If you specify sheet 2, it will be read the data from sheet 2. If I execute this, and I'll execute this one, so now we can see it has read the sheet 2 data. Okay, this data address will help us to specify the sheet, which sheet we wanted to read. Okay, so now I'll write this data to the Parquet file. Write mode as overwrite, and here I will writing as Parquet. I will specify the path. This is the path, and I will create a new path called write Excel. Okay, if I execute this, its data has successfully returned to this particular path. We'll see fs this one. See, now the data Parquet data is available in this particular folder. So in this video, what we have done, so we have read the Parquet, we have read the Excel file, and we have seen the data. So how can we specify the sheet based on the data address, and we have returned back to the Parquet file. That's all from my side. In the next video, we will explore how to read all the sheet dynamically from an Excel file in Databricks. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Data Future for more hands-on tutorial. See you soon. Thank you.